Heyy Butterflies, how are you? And welcome back. I know I just made a video and uploaded last night, but I promised I would make another video and upload it ASAP, only because this is a giveaway. This is January's giveaway and it's almost the end of January, so I have to get this out. Usually I do my giveaways on my Instagram and Facebook accounts, but every now and then I'll, say something about it on my YouTube. So I'm going to do all three. I'm going to be proactive and, step a little bit out of my boundary, or I would say like my comfort zone. And, yeah, so here I am, and we only have a couple days left of January, but I'm going to let this giveaway go for probably a week and a half. So I'll let you know the date below and when the giveaway ends. But anyways, if you're excited about this giveaway, then please hit the like, subscribe. It's free to do so, it takes 2 seconds, and also hit that bell so you can be notified as soon as my new videos and new content goes up, so you'll never miss a thing. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, for the giveaway, I think this is my 4th giveaway so far. We have eyelashes. These are both by Diamond Cosmetics. These are date night, and they also come with glue. They come with adhesive. So we got these. These are a little more like natural, wispy-ish, And these ones are Lovesick. And these ones are, a little more fluffier, thicker, more bold, and full for that va-va-voom sort of look, I do like these a lot. And these ones are more, natural, but they're both really cute, and like I said, they both come with glue. So the winner of January's giveaway will get these 2 pairs of eyelashes. You will be receiving, and I'll have the rules in the description box below, okay? This is a brightening eye cream by Bolero Beverly Hills. This is a coffee and green tea eye cream. Look awake and refreshed with a burst of concentrated hydration for all skin types. And it says just to apply under the eye area and massage into the skin. And they are not tested on animals, so this is cruelty free. So I actually haven't used this, so I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna buy myself one and see if I like it or not. But I don't like to mix like right now I've been using this other eye cream by QMS, and so I don't like to mix my eye cream products while I'm using a different one, you know what I'm saying? So I really like to get that use and see really like benefits and everything of how I really like this other eye cream that I'm using. So when I'm done using that one, and maybe I'll try this one out, but this one looks really interesting. So next we have NYX Professional Makeup Blotting Papers. There's 50 sheets right here, and it's Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Blotting Papers. And yeah, they're actually infused with hemp-derived cannabis sativa seed oil. These special little sheets banish excess oil and help you blot your way to a fresh, matte finish and a happy face. So you'll get these for your makeup. Also, I was really excited about this perfume. This is it's like a knockoff brand or whatever, but honestly, like, this is awesome. This is a you can compare this to Armani Code by Giorgio Armani, and this is called, so what they're calling it is Floral Code. And this is for women, or, it doesn't have to be for women, but it's an eau de toilette, so, it does last a few hours. And there's 2.5 fluid ounces in here. and it smells so good. Like lipstick on my thumb. But this just smells so good. This is a European American Designs is what this brand is called. It's just so amazing. I'm trying to see if I can describe like what it smells like, but if you just look up Giorgio Armani, this is what it smells like. It's so good. So this is the affordable version. I bought one for myself and I wear it almost every day. I love it. Next up we have the Viseart Professional Makeup Paris. This is a 12 eyeshadow, or yeah, there's 12 shades in here. And this is actually a very cool palette. This is a 12 shade professional eyeshadow palette. And this is a neutral matte. It says neutral matte on the back. And it has, it tells you the shades are Canal, Beige, Peach, Ivory, Chocolate, Brick, Taupe, Cafe, Carbon, Cerise, and on so on. This is actually really cool. This came in my BoxyCharm. And you can actually use this for contouring, highlight, like contour. You can use it for eyeshadow. So you can use it to shape the face and, you know, contour the face and all that. It's really cool. I did not swatch any of these. So if you watch that unboxing video, you'll see that I did not swatch these. So this is really interesting. I am very interested. I really wanted to keep it for myself just to see, because I've never seen anything. Well, I have seen products like that. You know, they have like the cream palettes like that. They have, you know, like other powders and stuff. But this one, it says that it's literally eyeshadow and contour and highlight. So it's all of that. So you can use it probably like for bronze or for chiseling your face and all that. So there you go, beauty. My butterflies. Also, there's a code in here. I'll put my BoxyCharm link below, and it'll help me out get BoxyCharms. And if you sign up, that'll really help me out, and it'll be really easy. And then you can always pass your link along with other people, and you can get BoxyCharms. So it says use promo code like a charm 20 to receive 20% off your entire purchase at www.viseartparis.com, valid through March 31st, 2021. So that's in there. I could, you know, I could take this out and not give it to you, but I'm going to let whoever wins this have it, and you will be able to use this code long before, don't worry, you'll get this long before that this expires, don't worry. Usually, as soon as I announce the winners, I mail it out within 2 days. So, and this is only going to be United States citizens only. Like I said, the rules will all be down below. So you obviously make sure and you like and subscribe this video to start off with. Duh. And then make sure you read the rules, okay? So the last thing we have is by Crown. This is All Eyes on You 5-piece luxe brush set for all skin types, 100% vegan and cruelty free. These are so pretty. This is what the box looks like. It's like gold and white. And yeah, there's 5 brushes in here. The set includes deluxe eyeshadow brush, a deluxe blending crease brush, a chisel shader brush, precision detail crease brush, and a chisel shadow base brush. This set can be used with liquid, powder, and cream products. So that's pretty sweet. Even though most of the time I use my brushes like with those products anyway. So yeah, that is all. And this is what the brushes look like, okay? Oh, you say Crown on here, and they have like gold. It's all like gold and shiny and beautiful and chic. Gorgeous. So I hope you butterflies are super excited for this giveaway. Everybody, I've always got feedback from all the winners, and they always say that they've loved everything that they've got, and they're always so excited and pumped up about it. And yeah, so I am gonna upload this video within like the next 30 minutes, so it should be up very soon. So we got the lashes, 2 pairs of lashes. We have the brightening eye cream. We have the Viseart contouring and eyeshadow palette. We have the NYX blotting papers. We have the Giorgio Armani knockoff perfume, floral code. And we have the All Eyes on You 5-piece eyeshadow set, eye brush set. So I hope you're excited. Make sure you, follow all the rules. There's only going to be probably like 5 rules. And just make sure they're usually always the same. So I'm looking forward to announcing the winner. And yeah, so best of luck. Bye. I hope you're excited. Did I have lipstick? I have lipstick on my teeth. Okay, so bye. Good luck.